Hello everyone, in this video we will see all the required installations for CL9 lab. The very first installation we need is the JDK, that is the Java Development Kit. The version 8 is compulsory for all the assignment. The second thing is the Eclipse IDE for Java. You can download it from the link given. The third installation is Netbeans IDE. It is important to download the IDE with the Classfish server. The download can be found on the given link. Now let's do these installations. First of all, we'll type sudo apt-get update. Open your terminal, paste the command. Check if Java is already installed on your machine using this command, java-version. As you can see, Java is not installed, so we'll copy the next command to install Java. This installs Java as well as the JDK. Paste the command, execute it, press Y, enter. This will take some time, so let me pause the video. Okay, the download is now complete. Don't worry if you get some errors, we can check if Java is correctly installed with this command, java-version. We can see OpenJDK version 1.8, so Java is correctly installed. Let's move on. The next step is configuring Java. Copy this command in the terminal. Press enter. Okay, so Java is already configured. We can move on to the next step. Setting Java home is optional. So let's move on to Eclipse installation. There are two ways to install Eclipse. You can install it from this given link, or you can download it from the Ubuntu Software Center. We'll choose the second one. Open your Ubuntu Software Center. Search for Eclipse. Check which version provides the Java IDE. Install Eclipse. Insert your password. I'll pause the video for the installation. Already it's downloaded. Let's launch it. Keep the default workspace, select launch. Go to Workbench. Change the perspective to Java. Okay, Eclipse installation is done. Now we can exit. Next we move on to Netbeans installation. So for Netbeans installation, we go to this link, copy it into your browser. Now download the Netbeans version under Java EE. It includes the Classfish server. Download it. The download will take quite some time, so I'll pause the video. Okay, the software is now downloaded. Click on Show in Folder. Right click on it and go to Properties. Go to Permissions. Click on Allow Executing File as Program. Close the permissions. Now right click and go to open in terminal. Type sudo // followed by the name of the file, that is Netbeans. Enter, press enter. This will open the Netbeans installer. Make sure Classfish is selected and Tomcat is not selected. Click next. Accept the terms, click next. Accept the terms to install JUnit, click next. Check the installation directory, it's user, local and Netbeans. Click next. This is for Classfish server, user, local, Classfish. Uncheck check for updates, install. I'll pause the video for the installation. Click finish to complete the installation. Now we'll have to configure Netbeans. Go to terminal, type in sudo nautilus, press enter. Now go to the Netbeans installation. It will be under user, local, Netbeans. Under the etc directory, there's a file called netbeans.conf. Open it. Check the doc. Here we have to find Netbeans default options. Copy it. Open netbeans.conf. Search for the text you just copied. Okay. In this we have to add this line. Append this line at the beginning. Hit space. Save the file. This was the configuration of Netbeans. Now let's configure Classfish. For that, go to the Classfish installation directory. It is under user. It is under user lib, user local, and then Classfish. Here we have to search for domain.xml. Open the file. Next we have to search for Java config in this file. Add the JVM option tag. Save the file, exit. Now Netbeans and Classfish is installed.